Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Simnet assignment, and course name is IT 115 Spreadsheet Application SI Fall 2025 Gracia. So in today's video, we will discuss the project that name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. So we just click there. After that, so in today's video we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. So in short, we just download our required file and a resource file. Okay, after that, then after completing, we just again come on here and upload our file to get the result. So independent project 4 to 4, we are on window. So allow system received contract data in text file. You transform and import, sort and filter the data. You also create a pivot table, prepare a worksheet with subtotals and format related data as an Excel table. So all these will be covered in today. So student learning SLOs outcomes, we will cover SLOs 4.1 to 4.8 in today's project. File needed, this one we have already downloaded, and this is the supporting file also we have downloaded this file. Completed project file name. After completing our project, our file name would be this one. Then skill covered in this project. What skill we will cover in today's project? Skill covered in this project. So format the data in Excel table, store data in Excel table, import a text file, transform data in Power Query, sort data by multiple columns, add calculated field in the table, create a pivot table, format field in a pivot table, use subtotal command. So all these skills will be covered in today's project. So let me move toward our instruction file. All these were just non-graded part. Okay, our main part, our graded part is start from here. So in graded part, how many questions we have? We have, I think so, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19 questions in graded part, then 20 and 21, 22 are non-graded part. Okay, let me start today's assignment. Steps to complete this project. So in first part, we have to open Eller 04 start file that we have downloaded, this one. Then we have to open this one, that is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing, click on there. Then file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see our name is there, that is automatically renamed. Change project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So question number 1 is done. After solving first part, now we are moving to our next part. Click the Bibble or sheet, then click cell E4, this one. Then click format as a table button and use light gray table style medium 11. So click on in style, there is format as a table, and what type of table we have to apply? We have to apply light gray table style medium 11. So we have to apply medium 11. Open this one, this is a medium, and find where is medium 11. Yes, this one. Okay, so this part is done. Question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to click format as a table button, and there, that is in home tab style group. Okay, after that, then we just use light gray table style medium 11 to this table. Okay, then select cell C6 and type formula, this one. So we just copy this formula from here, then we move towards cell C6 there, and here we have to in that formula. Okay, then in part question number 5, we have to autofill the formula to copy to row 51. Now we have to fill down this formula to row 51, drag this one to row 51. Okay, there, done. So question number 5 is done. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. In start we download our required file and resources, then we move toward graded part and we have done question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me show how many questions we have in graded part. In graded part we have 19 questions and we have done first 5 questions. Now we are moving toward question number 6. So type 0.5 add on in cell E4. So we just copy this one from here, then move towards cell E4 there, and we have to paste it, then press enter. Okay. So question number 6 is done, in which in question number 6 we have to type 0.5 add on in cell E4 and press enter. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Build a formula in cell E5. Okay, first we have to move towards cell E5 and there we have to build a formula to add 0.5 to cell D5, equal sign, then D5, and there we have to add 0.1. Okay, we have to add D5, 0.5 to D5. Okay, 0.5. Then and press enter to copy formula. Format result to display 2 decimal place. Okay, now we have to format the result to 2 decimal place, increase the decimal place, then 2 decimal place and apply all border. And here's border and we have to apply all borders. Okay, so question number 7 is done. In question number 7 we have to build a formula in cell E5 to add 0.5 to cell D5 and press enter to copy the formula. After that, then format the result to 2 decimal place and apply all borders, and we have done and we get this result. Okay, so question number 7 is done. After solving question number 7, now we are moving toward question number 8. Copy dates as value. So in first part we have to select C5. We have to select C5. Then cell C5 is a reference to today function in F2. Yes, exactly. Then what? Then sort the column by date in newest to oldest order. So we sort option, click on editing, there, newest to oldest. Okay. The dates that was originally in cell C5 sorted to row 51 and now has a relative reference to cell F48. Okay, then what we have to do, click undo button, select C5. Okay, now we have to select undo button, that is there, or we just use shortcut for undo is Control Z. Okay, then select cell C5 again. Okay, then select cell C5 to C51. Then you can copy and paste to replace formula with actual date. press Ctrl C to copy the range, then select cell C5 and click arrow and paste button, choose values, copy, copy to range clipboard, then select C5 and click arrow paste button and choose values. Yes, so that is done. Select C5 arrow and paste. Yes, we have done. Choose value, we have select that one, then press escape to remove border C5. Now we just press escape. So part H is also done. Now we are moving toward part question number 9. So before moving toward question number 9, let me tell what we have done in question number 8. Copy dates as well. Okay, select cell C5. Cell C5 is reference to today function in cell F2. Yes, we have confirmed that one. That is our references from F2. Then sort the column by date in newest to oldest order form because dates are calculated, the formula are wrong. Yes, and we get wrong values. Then we just simply press undo button. We just press Ctrl Z and then again move towards cell C5. Then select the cell C5 to C51. Copy that range. Then paste that in C5 and in paste button we have to select values, then simply press escape to remove the border and we get this result. Okay, so question number 8 is done. Same way we will solve question number 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 18. Okay, up to 19. So in graded part we have 19 question. Out of 19 question we have done first 8 to 9 question. Mean 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember that in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. In start we download our required file and resources. Then we move toward their independent project and we read this instruction as follows. Then we just cover the skill that we will cover in today's project. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. First 9 question is done out of 18 question. Almost 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. So, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, sim book project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exams, Power BI projects, SQL projects. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get A grade 100% marks whenever I will solve your assignment. Remember that I am giving a biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity so that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe and our payment will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one and pay me. So in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. So we will meet soon with next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.